What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys already know it's Jerry. You're watching Where's Garage, and today is, what you guys tell by the title, is installing your headlights. So I got some new headlights for my mazdaspeed. I got them right here. I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's what's going to the video's going to be on, is how to take off your headlights off your mazdaspeed. So let's get to the video and let's get going. So these are the headlights that I got. It's the black housing. Take off the pin. So I got the black housing one. I like how the black housing is. That's the one I got. I forgot what company. I got on eBay for a company. I forgot the name. I'll put the link in the description in the bottom so you guys can see where I got them from. But there was only like 100 and like I think $20 or $30. So the reason why I'm replacing mine, so you can kind of see water is getting inside. So that means the seals up here somewhere is messed up. It's leaking water. This one's worse. It's more foggy too. I'm not gonna get rid of them. I'm probably just gonna keep them, and maybe next time I'll open them up, because I know you can replace the lens, these lenses. So I'm thinking about replacing the lens, getting a new lens, opening, maybe painting a certain color, and throwing some lights inside. But yeah, car engine bay is clean because I went to last week's car event called The Experience, and you guys know, you see on my Instagram, Joanna Marie was there. Like her videos, like watching her videos, but yeah, the car looks all clean. But yeah, so show you how to take it off. So there's a few bolts. So there's this bolt right here, which I already took off from the bumper, and there's one. Where is it at? Oh, one right here. There's a bolt right here and a tab. Then you take off this bolt right there. Then there's these little clips right here you take off too. This is right here, there, and right there. You can't see it, but that's how you take it off. So I took my bumper halfway off. It's not fully off because it's still connected from the bottom, but I just set it down so I can get to it easier. So that's why it's like that. So I'm gonna set you guys down and take the first headlight off. So there you go. So that's how you take it off, those few bolts. Disconnect from the harness from right here. And so you guys know, if you guys been watching my videos, I have the, I think, aux beam LED light bulbs right here. But yeah, it's one right here. And so you gotta take off the harness to switch over to the new one. So I'll take you guys to the side, show you how to do it. All right, so I have the new one right here, the old one. So what you do is just take it off the harness, take this off, scoot it up, take them off, try to do it with one hand, unplug, take it out, remove loose. There's a bunch of mosquitoes out here trying to bite me. fits perfect. That's how you guys do it. Here's the old one right here. So yeah, get back to you guys. So I don't know this thing knows just right now. I'm gonna see. So I don't have it. So you see this right here. This has this, but this one has that and an extra light. So I don't know what that is for. There's no bulb on it. I mean, you can put a bulb, but I don't know if that's some extra thing you can do or what, but I don't know. We'll see. But as I know, I don't need it. But yeah, so everything's on, so let's put it on the car. You guys can see, I'm sorry, but like I said, you take these off, the 2 bolts, the 2 tins, 10 right here, 10 right here, and a little tab. And make sure you hook up your bracket back to the car. Go. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll come back to you guys when I have both of them on and turn lights on and show you guys. So that's what it looks like. Everything on. So I have the plastics. I didn't want to mess anything up. That little bit right there later. Just like this side. Fits perfect, like OM fit. A little bit right here. The loosen light probably get the rest of that, but I'm just gonna show you guys. But that's what it looks like. Blackout. There you go, guys. Everything's on, working. Look how clear the lights look. Way, way better. Have the high beams on, the lights, everything's on. Let's do the high beams. High beams. Everything works. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you install your headlights on your car. If you get into some new headlights, or you just want to take them off to clean them or change the bulbs, I don't know, do something with them. That's how you take them off. Or if you want to take them off to paint them, to open them, the lens, that's how you. I mean, it's just again, that's how you take them off. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this video. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Yeah, just let me know. I got more stuff coming for you guys, so stay tuned for that. You guys have a good night. See you later.